Shopping. It's one of my favorite activities since I don't have a lot of time to go to the stores. I do a lot of online shopping. And I never buy anything without doing any comparison shopping. So I got this new Windows 7 PC. I want to buy a new digital camera to go with my Windows 7 PC. And I've been searching, I've done some research, and I'm torn between a Nikon camera and a Canon. Well, here's how I used to do comparison shopping. I opened up two browser windows and I tried to align them side by side so I can compare features by feature. Well, in Windows 7, you no longer have to do that. Here's how you do it. Click on this one, snap to the one side of the desktop, the other one, snap on the other side of the desktop. They lined up perfectly. So now you can just compare the features of each camera and pick the one you really want. Well, you know, I really like this Nikon camera, so I may just go buy it a little bit later. Well, look at the time. It's 2:17 p.m. With all these shopping activities and the demos I'm doing, I'm getting a little bit hungry. So what I do? Do I want to go out to have lunch, or do I stay in the office? Well, let's check the weather first. Pay attention to this. I got lots of windows open on my desktop. Well, let me do it again. Okay, so with Windows 7, you can peek through all these windows onto your desktop by simply move the mouse to the lower bottom right side of your taskbar. There you go. Let's check the weather. It's 29 degrees outside. Ooh, maybe a little bit hot for me. Okay, if you want all the windows to go away, click on it. They disappear. Want them to come back? Click on it. Everything comes back. It's just that simple, that easy. Well, I still got something I gotta finish before I go to my 4 o'clock meeting. I gotta work on this document so I can fine-tune my Windows 7 demo document, and I'm going to present to my colleagues. With all these windows open on my desktop, it's a quite distraction. Two ways to do it. Look at this. Simple shake. Everything goes away except for this one. You want to expand your document, snap to the top. There you go, full document. You no longer have to click left, click right in order to resize it. Once you're done, you can always minimize it, right? It's just that simple. So these are just the few improvements and features that we've done in Windows 7 that simplify your everyday tasks. Well, you know, I got to present that document. If you're like me, who goes to meetings a lot and do presentation, what do? We connect to the projector, trying to figure out, jump through a few steps, and how to get that projector to work, right? First of all, turn it on, and then trying to figure out which button do I push, where do I go to get it connected to the projector. Well, and each OEM has different implementations, Control F7, Control F8. It's quite complex to remember those. Well, in Windows 7, we solved that problem. We made it so simple, easy for you to project. Remember, plugged in the VGA port. All you need to do is press the Windows button and the P. There you go. Choose the mode, and you're off and running. It's just that easy and that simple, right? That's what we did. In Windows 7, we want to simplify your everyday tasks so you can spend more time using the stuff, less time looking for them. Okay, the other thing I want to show you is about networking. How many of you have been